Time is precious and is also priceless. It is the most beautiful gift to someone, but keep in mind that one cannot buy or sell time. We might not realize the importance of time, but later we will definitely regret wasting time. Once you waste time, then the time shall ruin your entire life. Time is more precious than money, because once the money is spent, it can be earned again, but once the precious time is gone, it can never be brought back again. Whether it is about studying or maintaining food habits, working hours, etc., there is a perfect time for everything. If we don't eat our meals on time, then it will affect our health. If we do not submit our work on time, then we will be warned by our bosses. Maintaining a perfect timetable will also make you systematic. It will make you follow a strict schedule. That will keep you healthy and wealthy. Therefore, it is essential to value the time we are living in now. We cannot live in the present moment and cannot value the present moment if we keep regretting the past and keep worrying about the future. So, value and respect every moment and every second of your life to make it look more beautiful. Live the present moment with utmost happiness.